So we think conditional probability is a likely topic for the 2025 exam paper series, and this is for Edexcel GCSE Maths Higher. And you can see the number of times and what exam papers it has appeared in before. These questions are typically grade 8 to 9 questions and will appear on the last or second to last question in the GCSE paper. So let's take a look exactly how we need to work these out. For this question, we've got 5 orange and X yellow counters in a bag. So let's just start by highlighting that and writing this out. So we know orange, we've got 5 of them, and for yellow, we've got X of them. We're told a counter is taken out of the bag at random and not replaced. Now, it's really important to focus on that not replaced. And we're then told that the probability of picking 2 orange counters is 1 over 12. So we need to work out the number of yellow counters. So firstly, the total number of counters is just orange plus yellow, which is 5 plus X. So if we take a look at the probability of taking out a first orange counter, we know there's 5 orange counters they can choose from out of a total of 5 plus X. So the probability is 5 over 5 plus X. Now let's take a look at the probability of taking a second orange counter, given we've already taken out that first orange counter. Now we know this is without replacement, so if we take out an orange counter, we're only going to be left with 4 orange counters left in the bag. And then the total is also going to be 1 less, so it's going to be 4 plus X. So the probability of a second orange counter is going to be 4 over 4 plus X. So now all we need to do is go ahead and multiply these two together. So we've got 5 over 5 plus X times by 4 over 4 plus X, and that's going to give us our probability of 1 over 12. Let's just multiply these through. So we get 20, doing our 5 times by 4 on the top, over 5 plus X, in brackets 4 plus X, and that equals 1 over 12. And if we cross multiply to solve this, we're going to end up with 240, and then we've got our X squared, add 4X, add 5X, add 20 on the other side. So we just get all of our terms onto one side of this equation. We've got X squared at 9X minus 220 equaling 0. Now to work this out, all we need to do is factorise. So we're looking for a factor pair of minus 220 that adds together to give us 9. And we can see that that's going to be a positive 20 and a minus 11, as they do multiply together to give us minus 220. So if we factorise and put these in our brackets, we've got X plus 20, X minus 11 equaling 0. And we know X is the number of yellow counters, so it's got to be positive. So the answer then is just going to be 11.